Time and tide wait for none. This is an age-old proverb. We all have got 24 hours in a day, but how do we utilize these 24 hours depends on us. So in this video, I have tried to take up few tips regarding time management. Go through the video and I'm sure these tips will be useful for you. The first tip is eliminate the unnecessary. Either professionally or personally, it is important to eliminate the unnecessary. What is that unnecessary? Anything that prevents you from reaching your particular goal. You know very well that you fail to plan and you plan to fail. Planning is extremely important. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes before starting any work. Either write down or mentally plan what you want to accomplish. Multitasking is doing two or more things at a time. But this is not everybody's cup of tea. If you are able to multitask, great. If not, then don't bother trying because it will lead to wastage of time. If you have the talent of multitasking, that's excellent. But you should also know when not to multitask. You cannot multitask every single minute of the day. So you should know when to multitask. Avoid diversions and deviations. There are a lot of interruptions in between, but you must prevent yourself from getting involved into them. One of the biggest hurdles in achieving your goal is procrastination. It is the practice of carrying out less urgent tasks instead of more urgent ones. That is postponing or delaying your impending tasks. Avoid doing that. You must be aware of your strengths and weaknesses. You must know when are you most productive during the day. At that time, just hammer the nail and begin at once. Escaping is never the solution. Whether it is an individual task or a teamwork, join the task at the earliest. Never complain that you don't have time. Work smarter, not harder. Don't say you don't have enough time. You have exactly the same number of hours per day that were given to Helen Keller, Mother Teresa, Leonardo da Vinci, Thomas Jefferson and Albert Einstein. Therefore, plan out and start working towards your goal. These are two extremely important tips. Complete most important tasks first. Another tip is learn to say no. Your objective should be to take on only those commitments that you know you have time for and that you truly care about. Don't avoid adequate amount of sleep. Most people need 7 to 8 hours of sleep for their bodies and minds to function optimally. If you know you are getting enough, very good. But listen to your body and don't underestimate the value of sleep. A very important tip is devote your entire focus to the task at hand. Avoid all diversions and disturbances. Find a quiet place to work or listen to some music if that helps you. But concentrate on one task only. Nothing else should exist. Involve yourself completely in that task. It's extremely important that you set a time target. That means delineate a time limit in which to complete the task. So that time constraint will push you to focus and be more efficient, even if you end up having to go back and add a bit more later. Another very important tip is don't think of the totality of your to-do list. We have got many things to do, but don't overwhelm yourself with all those things. At this point in time, all you can do is focus on the one task that is in front of you. This one single task, one step at a time. And you know why winners are winners? Because they never quit. That commitment is very important. Be resolute, be determined, be professional about that, and follow through. A firm will to accomplish what you decide to accomplish will take you anywhere. So, that resolution, that commitment, that devotion is important. Don't underestimate the importance of recreation. Such activities that make you happy. It can be music, sports and games, or any other task that makes you happy. You can call it as a hobby as well. But do get involved in these practices so that you make your work even more pleasurable. And last but not the least, enjoyment should always be the goal. Work can be play also. The goal should be to arrange your commitments in a way that you are happy living out the details of your daily life. Even while you are working, wonderful things will happen. Best of luck implementing these tips. I am very sure you will be successful. Thank you for watching this video and good luck to all of you.